Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to learn the topic transmission mode in computer for grade 10. Now let's see what is transmission mode. Transmission mode is what? Transmission mode is the process of transferring of the data. Simply, what is transmission mode? The data which is transferred from sender to receiver is the process of the transmission mode. But we have a three concept of transmission mode. Transmission mode means how the data is transferred, how the data is transmitted from one computer to another computer. That we have three concepts, and by these three concepts everywhere data is used to transfer, right? So let's see what are these three transmission mode. First one is simplex mode. What is simplex mode? Second one is half duplex, and third one is full duplex. These are the three concepts we have under the data transmission mode, by which we can transmit the data from one computer to another computer. Now let's see what are these three concepts. What is simplex mode? Simplex mode is a process of transferring of data from one computer to another computer. But in simplex mode, what happens? The data can be transmitted from one computer to another computer, but it will be only and only unidirectional. What I want to say, it will be only in the unidirectional. Unidirectional means what? Where in this process data will be only transferred but will not be received. Only one way communication will be there. What? Only one way communication will be there, where from where the sender will send the data and receiver can receive it, but receiver cannot send back. Getting my point? So this is the part of the simplex mode. Simplex mode data communication allows us to send the data in one way only. Clear? In one way we can send the data and we can communicate to the system, right? What is half duplex? What happens in half duplex? Half duplex is our concept. Actually, definition is near about same. Little difference is there. Half duplex is a concept of also sharing of data, but it is bidirectional. Bidirectional means in this concept, in half duplex concept, we can send data as well as we can receive it also. But at a time, either we can send it or we can receive it. Only one process can be done at a time. Whether we can send or we can receive. This is the concept of the half duplex. Means in simplex example, just you can see like keyboard. How keyboard? Because suppose that if I type I press any key, so key messages or data will be transferred to the monitor, but monitor cannot send back, right? Or you can say that radio signal, television signal, these are the examples of the simplex mode, where one way communication only will be there. What is the half duplex? Where bidirectional communication can be there, but at a time only one way communication can be, right? So in this half duplex, what will be the example? One walkie-talkie device, walkie-talkie which policeman has always, by which they are communicating with each other. So in walkie-talkie device, what happens? One person speaks, and after speaking one person, when voice is delivered to the destination devices, then only another person can give the answer. So I want to say that in half duplex concept, the data can be transferred or received, but at a time only one way communication will be there, right? Now next point is full duplex. What is the concept of full duplex? Full duplex allows us to share data and communication, receiving and sending of data at same time. Right now, that means simultaneously we can send the data also and we can receive it. This is the concept of the full duplex. Full duplex example is, you can say, mobile phone. How? Because at a time we can send messages also or we can receive it. At a time we can ask the question or we can receive the answer. So that is why we can say full duplex is the example of mobile phone, or we can say that mobile phone is the example of full duplex, where we can send the data and receive the data simultaneously, right? So once again I want to just recall, simplex mode, only one way data communication can be there. half duplex mode, bidirectional two-way data communication can be there, but at a time only one way can be possible, right? In full duplex, what happens? Both bidirectional will be there, and at a time simultaneously we can send or receive the data. The simplest example is keyboard, radio signal, television signal. Half duplex example is walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie is the example of half duplex, and full duplex example is the mobile phone, right? I hope you have understood this point. If any problem, you can ask me again by comments. Thank you.